Are you looking for a consulting, business, marketing, or any type of corporate website? Or a startup, CMS, blog, business, or agency website for your company? Introducing TNC Infinity, the best Webflow Corporate Template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, let's explore the live preview of TNC Infinity. Now, let's see how to use TNC Infinity. So, if you are looking for the best corporate Webflow template, get TNC Infinity, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.ThemeNcode.com.